Hey, what's going on, guys? Ross Mitchev in the house, and welcome to another special video in which we're going to go over an underground money making system on ClickBank. This is going to be a system that is very unpopular, I would say, that can allow you to make $200 to $300 per day in affiliate commission. This is going to be a step-by-step video tutorial so you can see the full setup in front of you. I'm going to share my screen in just a second, but before I do that, last week I did a poll on my channel and I asked you which traffic source you would like to see in my next video, which is this video. 70% of you said you want to see free traffic source and 30% of you said you want to see paid traffic source. So now in this video I'm going to combine both of these and I'm going to do kind of a hybrid video, paid and free traffic source in one video. And this is going to be because I'm going to be sharing with you a very special, like I said, not so popular traffic source that not many people are using, but it is very high quality traffic source. It's very targeted and there are a lot of buyers on this platform that are willing to buy your product. And the most important part of today's video is I'm going to be literally giving away $100 each of you to buy traffic. This is not a trick. I'm not trying to trick you to buy something from me, or this is not like a false giveaway. I'm literally going to be giving you $100 each, and you're going to see in just a minute how you can get these, and they're going to be literally loaded into your account. So without further ado, let me share my screen and we can start setting up the system. All right, welcome back. Now, obviously, the first thing you need to do is sign up for ClickBank, and this is what I tell you in pretty much in most of my videos. So you go to clickbank.com and sign up for an affiliate account right here by clicking this sign up button. Now, after you have signed up, this is your going to be your dashboard, and what you need to do is scroll up and navigate to the button where it says Marketplace, and probably a lot of you are already familiar with the Marketplace, but let's click the Marketplace right here. And here in the Marketplace, we're going to find a product that we can promote and make money by doing that. So where it says find a product right here, instead of just typing anything in the search box, we're going to be clicking the magnifier glass with an empty box so we can see all the products. So let's click that. So we see all the products right now. And for today's example, I actually found a pretty lucrative product or offer that you can promote and make $130, I believe it was, and more. Okay, there we go. It's called Signups XT and it pays $131 per sale. This offer solves a very common problem that occurs on elder people who are 50 or 60 years and older, and you're going to see why I picked this product, because it's going to match the traffic source. But let's click the affiliate landing page right here so you can read more about this offer, and you're going to see something special. If we land right here and if we scroll down to the bottom, your custom affiliate link, if you just select this link right like that, copy this link, open a new tab and paste it right here, you can see the actual VSL from this offer. Basically, it's a video sales letter. People watch this right here. It explains the problem about the hearing problems, as you can see, elder people have, and then it's going to provide a solution for the hearing problem. What's more important here, let me close this video. If you scroll just a little bit up where it says native pre-sale, this is what we need today. If you click here, what you're going to see is a bridge page. It's called a bridge landing page. And this is what we're going to be using. This is what is going to increase your conversion rate. So it's a very simple pre-sale or a bridge page that says, "Top doctor, do this to relieve tinnitus and fight ringing ears." So as you can see, this is the image I took for the presentation, but it's a very appealing image, a very kind of a weird and bizarre looking image. So this is a very high converting landing page which we're going to be using, and it's provided to us for free from the vendor of this product. So let's go back to ClickBank. Now we want to drive traffic to this landing page in order to get sales. And how we do that? The first thing we do is actually click the promote button right here. This is the pop-up menu from ClickBank, and from landing page right here, what we need to do, we need to click this, so it is going to redirect people to the pre-sale page, to the landing page, and then we click generate hop links right here, and this is the hop link, this is the pre-sale page. So let me copy this and this is your unique affiliate link or tracking link, where every time somebody purchases the product or clicks here and purchases the product, you're going to get paid $131. So let me open a new tab, and I'm gonna paste this unique link right here. Let's see if it opens. Perfect. We need to drive traffic to this landing page in order to get sales. And what we're going to be using is one of the biggest search engines in the world after Google, which is called Bing.com. And I know a lot of you are familiar, but for those of you who are not familiar with Bing.com, this is a search engine provided by Microsoft. And if I open you can go to Bing.com, and this is how it looks like. And if I open my similar web traffic extension, we can see from here that the monthly visits to Bing.com are 1.10 billion monthly visits. So this search engine gets a lot of traffic, which is very high quality traffic. As we can see, the majority of the traffic comes from United States, which is pretty good. So what we need to do here, I told you like a minute ago that this offer, this offer is created for elderly people. Bing itself, the search engine, as we can see from this graphic right here, is the majority of the demographic. The age group are 45 years and older. So we have a perfect traffic source for this offer that we found on ClickBank. Now the next step is signing up for an advertising account with Bing. And how you can do that? Well, basically go over to Bing.com and in the search bar type Bing ads. Right here, the first result, just type this one. And in here you can sign up by clicking this button, sign up now, for an advertising account with Bing ads. But if you do that way, if you sign up the old school way, you would not receive any free traffic. And I told you in the beginning of this presentation, I'm gonna give you $100 worth of traffic. So instead of signing up the old school way, I'm going to provide you a special link down in the description below. When you click this link, it's still Microsoft, but this time, instead of just signing up for a regular Bing account, but this time you're going to get $100 in advertising. This is $100 in traffic when you spend $25 on Microsoft advertising, which is huge. Basically, you're going to have $125 worth of traffic signing up with the link. So to get the $100 in traffic, the only requirement though, like I said, I'm not trying to trick you in any way. This is a completely free giveaway. The only requirement though I would ask in return is for you to like the video and comment, I want the $100 Ross. And as soon as we hit 500 comments, I'm going to release the link so each one of you can get $100 worth of traffic with Bing. So here in this search box, enter your email address and click start now. The last step is to create your account, fill out your information, legal business name. If you don't have a business, just leave your personal name and then scroll down, fill out all this information. If you don't have a website, right here, as you can see, I have inserted a Facebook profile. This is my Facebook profile. I of course have multiple websites, but if you don't have one, you can just leave your Facebook profile right here. Click I agree to the Microsoft terms and conditions, read them of course, and then click create this account. Actually, Microsoft asks you to import campaigns from Google, which we're not going to do, and we're going to just click right here, create a new campaign. Now we're going to call this campaign name, it's going to be related to the product that we're going to be promoting, which is the hearing device. So we're going to name this hearing device. What I usually do here, I go with Canada, United States first, and then I create another campaign with all available countries or regions. So scroll down, we have a campaign name, hearing device. We have who should see your ads, people in your targeted location, leave that as it is. We want people who only understand English. And then scroll down, and for the ad group name, type ad group 1, and then dash, I usually do LP, stands for landing page bridge page, just like that, bridge page. And then we need to create the actual ad and select keywords. You see, this is a trick right here where it says enter your website URL to get keyword suggestions. So what we want to do, go back to the landing page from ClickBank, this one, select this landing page, copy this, go over to Bing, and right here, paste the URL. And what Bing is going to do, Bing gives us ideas of what keywords we should use. This is actually one of the most related, built on hearing aids. We can actually bid on the actual device name, which is synapse, or we can use this keyword. So hearing loss, we want to show this ad only to people who are looking for a solution for this problem. So we want hearing loss. So I'm going to select this product. I'm going to click this. As you can see in the keyword box right here, the first keyword is selected. We're not going to leave it like this. We're going to use some special keywords modulators in just a second to laser target our results. So let's pick 3 to 8 keywords here. And I'm going to go with hearing loss, then the actual keyword synapse or synapse, whatever the pronoun is. Then we want to go with this one, looks good, cure tinnitus naturally. The next step we want to do is put these keywords in quotation. This is called a phrase match search. There is a lot here to cover. I'm going to link other videos about Google Ads. Google Ads and Bing Ads are very, very similar. So you're going to see why I put these quotations. But here you have to put quotations for sure to make this like a phrase match. Quotation, I'm going to zoom in so you can see. So you see I'm putting quotation and quotation on each keyword or the keyword or the phrase, because this is not a keyword, this is an actual long tail keyword. So this is what we need, 3 keywords which are very laser targeted to our product. And now the final step what we need to do is go over to the create an ad, this button, click create an ad, and in here what we want to do, go back to your ClickBank account, and remember this is our hop link, copy it again, copy this link, go back to Bing, paste your final URL here. For the record, usually I would not use the ClickBank role tracking link. I would create a separate landing page that I host on my own servers because it's safer. I'm gonna link another video where I explain how I do the bridge pages on my own servers with a page builder tool. The next step is your headline, and the headline should be kind of something catchy to grab attention, and we're going to type something like cure ringing ears in minutes. As you can see, this is the ad that people are going to see right here. And then we want to use a description, and in description we're going to actually go back to the actual offer, and I'm going to copy the text that we see here. US doctors show one simple and natural method. I'm going to copy this text and I'm going to change it a little bit. So go back to the description right here, paste this text, and as you can see here, we see the description. And what I'm going to do, instead of US doctors show one simple and natural method, I'm actually going to delete everything here, and I'm going to leave natural method to fight tinnitus naturally and relieve ear ringing, or something like that. Watch this video now! Exclamation mark, like that. And again, make it to appeal to the actual offer that you're going to promote, something similar. You have to prompt people to click your ad. Cure ringing ears in minutes, and then the description here it says natural method to fight tinnitus naturally and relieve ear ringing. Watch this video now, or watch the video to learn how. Actually, it's better. Watch this video to learn how. Perfect. I think this is pretty good. And then we just click save, and there we have it. Now, last step is go scroll down, and the maximum cost per click, I would usually I would start with point. The lowest that Bing will give me is number should be between 0.05, so 5 cents. So I'm actually going to start with close to the lowest, so 10 cents per click, 0.10, just like that. And then I'm gonna see if I have any clicks, and if I don't have any clicks, the next day I'm going to increase this to, let's say, 0.15 or 0.20 to start getting the clicks. And the campaign budget, we're going to use it to $25 per day. And remember, when we get the $100, once you sign up with my special link, you're going to get $100 in traffic. So you can run this campaign actually for $10 a day for 10 straight days, which is pretty good. And the last thing is click save. All right, so here we are. This is our campaign that we just created. This is the ad that people are going to see when they go to bing.com and start searching for a hearing device or a ringing ear issues or ringing ear cures or solutions. And they're going to see our ad and they're going to click our ad and watch the video, and when they buy, we're going to get a commission. This can be done not with just this offer, but with any offer on ClickBank. Just keep in mind, like I told you, the demographic on Bing is elderly people, 50 and even 60. Here it says 45, yes, maybe, but I would say 50 and above. So make sure to pick a product that is related to this elderly demographic or to this age group. Offer related to this certain age group. So yeah, that's about it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.